Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. We are going to study an interesting case regarding virtual mode of hearing. So during the Corona period, actually we came to know about the apps like Blue Jeans, Zoom, Google Meet like that. So virtual conference is definitely accepted, and I have already told you that the very purpose of the framing of the Information Technology Act 2000 is to get the legal recognition for the electronic evidence. Therefore, Section 65B of the Indian Evidence, 65A and B of the Indian Evidence Act also have been amended. So, legal recognition of the right from Section 4 to 8 of the IT Act, you know that the video conferencing is allowed as per the IT Act. Likewise, in CRPC also there are provisions how to record the evidence. Right from section 273 to 278 the provisions are there. Of course, section 273 says the evidence should be recorded in the presence of the accused as far as possible. Likewise, here the important section you have to learn is section 275 clause 3. It makes the judge to decide how to take evidence. Yes, here the leverage is to the judge that he can record the evidence through virtual mode also. Nowadays, virtual mode has become a very good phenomenon. It's a time saving and not expensive also to allow the virtual saving. But here, the Supreme Court allowed virtual hearing of a con man or more than that, a very highly intelligent cheater. We shall say only con man. I should not call him till the allegations are proved. We cannot make him a cheat. But anyway, Supreme Court allowed the virtual appearance of the alleged con man, Sukesh Chandrasekhar, alias Sukesh. So before the CBI court Chennai. So in this case, please remember the case law. This is Justice U.U. Lalit going to be the Chief Justice of India. U.U. Lalit, Ravindra Bhatt and Sudhanshu Dhulia allowed the application of the Sukesh Chandrasekhar alias Sukesh versus Union of India and another in writ petition criminal number 129 by 2022 yesterday, that is on 5/8/2022, right? As actually the CBI also did not raise any that great objection, right? Who is this con man, alleged con man? Sukesh Chandrasekhar, you might have heard the film being produced, that is Harihara Veeramallu by the famous A.M. Ratnam, who was once a makeup man to cinema actor Vijay Shanti. So, and it is being directed by Jacquelin Krish and hero is Pawan Kalyan. In this, they wanted to take the heroine Jacquelin Fernandez of Sri Lanka, but she was withheld, or she was asked not to leave Karnataka by the enforcement director and also CBI because she was involved in a case along with this Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Sukesh Chandrasekhar is originally from Bangalore, but he moved to Chennai. Actually, you will be shocked to know that his sea-facing bungalow is worth about 80 lakhs. Sorry, not 80 crores, I believe, in Chennai. Yes. He lives a very posh life. 12 cars are there, all Rolls Royce. Yes, we did not actually understand. Of course, the connection I will tell you when the case comes. I think Sukesh Chandrasekhar case, I know. But anyway, he spends very lavishly. That's why he made have trapped this Jacquelin Fernandez also. Actually, his activities came to light in the case of the TTD Dinakaran. So actually, they wanted to get the two-leaf symbol for their party. So he has, I think he has taken advance or taken correct money of about 50 crores or so, saying that he has got high connections with the so-called high-profile officers, election commission, and that he will see that the two-leaf symbol will come to them. Of course, it did not come. He reported the matter, and the CBI arrested him, put him in jail. Now he is in Tihar jail, right? So, as already told you, Charles Shobras. So the bikini killer, he stated that Indian jails are 5-star hotels. Like that, this man also has spent about, he alleges, I don't know whether it's correct or not, this man says that he has spent about 12.5 crores to live in lavish lifestyle in Tihar jail, right? So this is the problem. And his wife, we can say Lena or something, her name is there, and she is also in the same jail, of course, in the prisoners, woman prisoners ward. So actually he stated or he contended that he has got life threat. Now he cannot bribe the Tihar jail officials. He has already spent about 12.5 crores or so. Last month when the matter came, Supreme Court asked him to give the details of the persons to whom he has given the money. Of course he won't give it, I am sure. But anyway, to put the allegation, he wanted to transfer to Chennai. But you know, the additional Solicitor General, see his words better, I will read it. Taking him to Chennai would leave another person duped. He can dupe people at each and every stage, the additional Solicitor General argued. So such is the con man. వాడు ఎంత తెలివిగలడు, ఎవరు కనబడితే మనిషిని ట్రాపేజ్ చేస్తాడు. అయితే టీటీడీ దినకరన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆర్డినరీ మ్యాన్. ఈ అఫ్ కోర్స్ జయలలిత ఆ లెగసీ శశికళ దగ్గర నుంచి వచ్చినట్టు మరి వాడికే టోపీ వేశాడు. అండ్ ఫర్గెట్ టు టెల్ యూ, కేరళలో కత్రినా కైఫ్ని తీసుకొస్తానని చెప్పి he has taken advance of 20 lakhs and ultimately he brought Allu Arjun. Allu Arjun is very popular in Kerala state. అతని సినిమాలు బ్రహ్మాండంగా ఆడతాయి. So at least to some extent they were satisfied. Actually he promised to give to bring Katrina Kaif. He has taken advance of 20 lakhs or so. This case is also there against him. Of course it is not in this record because I know the facts I am telling you, right? So here the point is, last month so Supreme Court said, can the CBI machinery come to Delhi and interrogate him? We will allow. So yes, Supreme Court, so the additional Solicitor General, he said okay, but the CBI people coming from Madras to Delhi may be an arduous task ultimately. So the court allowed him to appear virtually, right? Please remember. So Sukesh, as regards this man, DG Prisons says that Sukesh's conduct in the jail, Tihar jail, is totally unsatisfactory because he was deliberately flouting the norms or violating the rules in the jail. So no doubt it can be proved, he said, he has given affidavit also, because of the CCTV arrangements, his activities are being monitored. And the allegation that he paid 12.5 crores is utterly false. They will say like that, right? Now please remember. So as regards this Sukesh, the important point is whether he can be allowed to appear virtually or not. Yes, it is 100% allowed. Number one, economy. Second is, as opined by the additional Solicitor General, he may dupe some persons if he is outside. Because previously, when he was on interim bail only, he duped these persons about this Katrina Kaif. So he has got high connections, no doubt he has got high connections, but he misutilized them. So please remember, all these things are of course they are some parts are necessary, some are, I think I have given extra material also. Only thing is, please remember, please read section 273 to 278 of the CRPC and also the legal provisions of the Information Technology Act as well as the Evidence Act, so that you will be satisfied that yes, the person can be examined, the witness can be examined, the accused can be examined virtually. This is what I want to tell you by citing this case law. Very good case law, please read it. This is very good instance, so please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.